Unveiling the Secret of Green Fingers, a journey into gardening mastery. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's not only popular among English speakers but also offers a glimpse into a unique skill set. Have you ever heard someone say they have green fingers? This expression is a testament to the wonders of language and how it captures human experiences. Let's explore what it means to have green fingers and why it's a phrase cherished by gardening enthusiasts and language lovers alike. At its core, having green fingers is a British expression equivalent to the American phrase, having a green thumb. It describes a person who has a natural talent for gardening, someone who can make plants thrive and bloom with apparent ease. The term, green, is metaphorically linked to the vibrancy of healthy plants, suggesting that a person's fingers, or thumb, possess a magical touch that brings life to gardens. The phrase's origin is somewhat murky, but it's believed to stem from the early 20th century. Gardening has always been a beloved hobby in many cultures, and having green fingers is considered a commendable skill. This expression highlights the deep connection between humans and nature, and it celebrates the nurturing care that leads to a flourishing garden. It's a term that encapsulates the joy, patience, and skill involved in tending to plants. Incorporating "have green fingers" into your vocabulary can add a charming touch, especially when talking about gardening or skills in nurturing plants. Here are a few examples. My grandmother can grow anything. She really has green fingers. I'm trying to improve my gardening skills, but I don't quite have green fingers yet. This phrase can be used both literally, to discuss actual gardening abilities, and metaphorically, to appreciate someone's skill in nurturing and growth, even beyond the garden. If you're inspired to develop your own green fingers, remember, it's all about practice, patience, and a bit of research. Start with easy-to-care for plants. Learn about their needs like sunlight, water, and soil type, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Gardening is a journey of learning and growth, both for you and your plants. We hope this exploration of having green fingers has inspired you to either take up gardening yourself or appreciate the skill in others. Remember, language is a beautiful way to connect with the world around us, and phrases like this bring color and depth to our conversations. Happy gardening, or should we say, may you all find your green fingers? Thank you for joining us on this linguistic and horticultural journey.